Hi everyone, I'm Zara, Bobbi Brown's pro artist in the UK. Now, of course, we are spending a lot more time at home on our laptops looking at our phones. So today I am going to take you through my blue light protection makeup routine. For anybody who doesn't know what blue light is, it's actually the rays that we get off our screen. So our phones, our laptops, the TV, and of course, with the increased amount of time that we are spending in front of a screen, you want to make sure that you're protected. The first thing I'm going to do is prep my skin with the hydrating Water Fresh cream. Now, this beautiful moisturizer is actually formulated with 70% water, so it's extremely cooling when you apply it onto the skin, and it holds 100 hours of hydration. So it's a constant hydration even after you wash your face, so your skin always feels really nice. When prepping your skin, you always want to make sure you've got nice, clean washed hands. Reason being is that we actually hold a lot of oil and bacteria on our hands. So when you are sort of moisturizing your skin, you don't want to put that bacteria and oil on there. So make sure you wash your hands first, and then we're going to go straight in to the hydrating Water Fresh cream. I'm going to take a small amount, just apply it where I want it, and start to work that in the skin. And because it is so cooling, it really wakes you up in the morning. It's got a lovely texture, really, really light, but makes your skin feel super hydrated. If you are working at home a lot at the moment, I love waking up and making sure that I feel like myself and I look like myself. So I love popping on a little bit of concealer first. This is the Instant Full Cover Concealer. I'm just going to take a small amount. What I love about this is you can pop it underneath your eyes and on any areas you have any blemishes. You can just pop it right on without having to wear too much makeup. And then I'm going to blend it with our full coverage touch-up brush. I find that this acts almost like your finger, but without applying any oil or bacteria from your hands, and it just blends it out really easily. You can see already how much brighter this under eye looks compared to this side. And then just on any blemishes, you can just bounce the brush on. I love bouncing just to apply coverage and then buffing it in to blend it all out. The next product I'm going to be using is the Skin Longwear Fluid Powder Foundation. Now, not only does this foundation have the SPF 20 to protect your skin from the sun, but it also has protection from the blue light. So you can wear it at home on an everyday basis. I love taking a small amount onto my hands, and then I'm going to go in with the full coverage brush and simply just take a small amount and start to blend that into the skin. Now, this foundation is so beautiful because it's really lightweight. It feels so soft on the skin, but it really helps to give a really flawless, smooth finish. It reduces the look of any sort of larger pores on the skin. But like I said, my favorite thing about it, because we are at home quite a lot at the moment, is it is going to protect the skin from any blue light. So just take the brush, smooth it in, and already look how beautiful and even my skin looks. Super smooth. Just a couple of finishing touches to make sure that I feel myself throughout the day. I'm going to go in with our Sunset Glow highlighter, just to add a little pop of color on my cheeks and a little pop of glow. I love how it's so subtle, but brings that really pretty, healthy glow to the skin. Same thing on the other side. Just smile, pop a little right onto the apple of the cheek. It's got a little hint of pink to it, so it can almost act like a blusher and highlighter in one. So pretty. And the last thing, I'm going to use my Crush Oil Infused Gloss in the Buff, just because it's a really soft neutral color and extremely hydrating. So it feels like a balm but looks like a gloss. So you can have a little bit of color on your lips throughout the day without it feeling sticky. I think I'm definitely ready for my day. Thank you so much for joining me on my blue light protection skincare and makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you found out a little bit more about blue light. If you have any questions at all, definitely leave your comments below. I am on bbpro_Zara Findlay. You can also drop me a message there. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.